Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa. وَلَئِنْ عَصَابَكُمْ فَضْلٌ مِّنَ اللَّهِ لَيَقُولَنَّ كَأَن لَّمْ تَكُن بَيْنَكُمْ وَبَيْنَهُ مَوَدَّةٌ يَا لَيْتَنِي كُنتُ مَعَهُمْ فَأَفُوزَ فَوْزًا عَظِيمًا. Translation: And if some good fortune from Allah come to you, they will surely say, as if there had been never any friendship relation between you and them. Oh, I wish that I had been with them, then I could have gained a great success and fortune. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning the attitude of the hypocrites. And in the previous ayah also we studied one attitude of the hypocrite. In the previous ayah we saw that if Muslims are in a disaster or they are inflicted in any way, the hypocrites feel happy and relieved, and they say that Allah has favored them because they were not present with them. They don't realize that they are getting the eternal hellfire with this attitude that they have dual faces. They show that they are the friends with the Muslims, but they are the enemies of the Muslims. They are not friends with the Muslims. In today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells that if on the other hand Muslims are victorious, they get some good fortune from Allah, they win the battle, or they get the booty of the war, then the hypocrites show the other side and they feel jealous and they don't feel happy like a friend will feel happy if the other friend is successful or gets something good. The hypocrites will not be happy with the success of Muslims, and they would say that, oh, I wish I would have been with the Muslims so I could have gained the same success and the same fortune, and they will be feeling jealous about Muslims. So this is the character of the hypocrites, and we must pray that Allah save us from any hint of these characters of the hypocrites. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.